Hey friends, welcome back to the studio. Today I am going to be working on a Draw This in Your Style challenge by my Portugal-based art peer, SaintTufa. I suppose that's how you pronounce it. Okay. The character is very cute, this little sweet Evangelion-looking fish girl. So I hope you enjoy. It's not like I need to justify myself for not posting in time, especially because no one really cares. But since this is the start of a journey and I want to deliver some value to others, along with achieving my own small goals within this channel, such as posting once a week in time, I feel like I'm not making the video posting enough of a priority, and I'm a little disappointed that I'm late. 3 days, okay? It's fine. I decided to start YouTube for fun and friends, to reach out to other artists about the things I find important to talk about, and to encourage whoever takes the encouragement to always keep going and enjoy their own journey. But only as long as it's fun. I mean, the YouTube thing. For now, it's being healthy and fun for me because I'm not obsessing over it. I'm not checking numbers after I post or checking statistics. I'm not checking anything. I just post and I reply to the comments that arise. And I try to reply to all the comments mindfully, to take actual attention to what people are saying and not looking at the people interacting with me as an audience, but as people, as artists, as individuals. And I keep coming up with video ideas and stuff as my brain allows within my routine and my personal life. I'm just kind of allowing everything to flow naturally. Even if the content is not so good now, I just want to put out something that can be consistent rather than perfect, I guess. But yeah, I said before that I'm a little disappointed that I'm not making the video posting much of a priority. And I don't need to come up with excuses for that, because I know that if I set my focus to do that, I can come up with a video once a week and post in time. But I am allowing not to, just as of now, immediately, because I don't want to get obsessed over it and ruin the fun, I guess. At least for now. I think being obsessed over stuff is good. But for now, I don't want to be obsessed over YouTube, over numbers, over delivering, over schedules. So basically what I want to say with this is, if you're coming along with me in this journey, I really appreciate that. And I really appreciate everyone who commented and who reached out somehow. But I'm doing this for fun. Just know that if I miss a week, I'm gonna be unapologetic about it, because I want to take things on my own pace, and I don't need to, and I don't want to feel pressured. I don't want to feel that I own anyone something. You know what I mean? I think for now this is my mindset. It will probably change, and I will probably become obsessed over time, but for now this is my mindset. So anyways, last week was not so crazy, but my time sometimes is really hard to manage. I work 4 days a week on commissions, leaving the 5th day for general business management, such as replying to emails, setting up clients, organizing information, characters, work and stuff, so I can have a very rich and productive workflow in the following week. So yeah. Also, I am a very enthusiastic lifter, so going to the gym 5 times a week is a priority to me. And my eating habits are also really important, so it's something that I really live for. So that part of my life takes a lot of my time, and yeah, I'm not left with much time in general each day. So trying to squish YouTube in my week is being a challenge. Having a routine and setting small goals each week instead of aiming for big picture stuff was something really important for my mental health and anxiety in general. I don't only plan on work stuff. I also include resting periods and activities in my work schedule, as per se, like my work. Sometimes I say, oh, I'm busy, I'm working, and I'm actually resting, you know. I think it's really important because there must be balance in life, and overworking is not a smart move. And it's something that I always struggle with, taking myself so far that I almost broke down multiple times for exhaustion and suffocating, overwhelming feeling of owning something to someone, even if it was just myself, really. Excessive behaviors are not healthy, are not good. My strategy to keep everything balanced is routine, but that's my personal thing. Even though it looks like I'm kind of creating rules to live my life in a very, very disciplined, strict way, having everything under control and knowing how things are going to go with time advance, with, timing in advance, really helps me keep my anxiety levels in check, down low. Because when I just go along with whatever comes up, like, let's live by the minute, YOLO, for me it doesn't work. I cannot. I just simply can't live like that. Because I am a very, very anxious person. I'm always obsessing, and it's not forced. It's not that I want to be obsessed over stuff, but I'm always thinking on what's gonna happen. If I don't know that something's gonna happen, my body just reacts. My body just reacts in a very bad way, but it's his way, and I cannot control it. I am the type of person that if I have a plan for a day and something comes up and cancels the way I planned things, I will be super anxious about it. I will not stop thinking about it. And even though I try to keep it rational, not to overreact, and I try to keep my mind like down to earth, there's always this overwhelming feeling within me that I am failing myself. Don't worry, by the way, I am fixing all of this shit in therapy, okay? I am assisted by a professional. I am not like venting in a way, like everything is under control. Thank you for worrying. If you don't care, no one does. All right. Either way, creating this somewhat meticulous routine was what really improved that anxiety, and the whole good habit piling up strategy is key, was key to improve my life, the quality of my life in the psychological end. Also, it can be really useful when you start to get used to optimizing your time the best you can, so you can be as much productive and rested as possible at the same time. For example, on the subject of selling services online. Without a schedule, you are very limited by what you can do and in what time you can do it. So imagine this. You take art commissions, right? You do them, you deliver them, you go to the next ones. How much do you think you can earn by working however your spirits and motivation and your time present themselves to you? You know what I mean? Like, you just work by the feeling you feel while work presents to work shows you feel this way, and you just work by the feeling without following a plan. Inflation is crazy, my friends, so you wouldn't earn much by relying on intrinsic motivation, as I spoke on another video. Part of the reason why I basically drew over 500 characters in a year was because I had a routine and fictional deadlines. And of course I didn't pull them out of my ass. I wouldn't be able to draw 10 characters a week 1 year ago. But with time, okay, you get better. you can update the optimization of your schedule and your time and your plan and your stuff. And yeah, I went from working every single day, including weekends, to working 4 days a week, being Wednesday a light day, a day that I work, half be productive, half do other stuff, half rest, and Friday an organization and rest day. And guess what? I am earning far more now. Numbers speaking, taboos out. I am earning a lot more now that everything is aligned and planned and, organized. So it's a good challenge to plan what would look like to be a perfect week, even if you don't feel anxious about not having a routine. Maybe by planning ahead, you could achieve things that you wouldn't if you didn't write them down, or if you didn't think of doing them in advance. So it's a little bit of a challenge. Either way, how do you live your life? Tell me in the comments. Do you just go with the flow? Do you have a routine, even if you don't have a job or freelance? Do you follow anything? How do you plan a week, for example? Tell me in the comments. So yeah, not much of an interesting subject this week, but I don't know. I hope it makes you think. I don't know. It could be even a little bit of a challenge just to take a planner and plan a week ahead. Your ideal week, what would it look like? And maybe try to follow it just 1 week and see what new things you could achieve that you wouldn't if you didn't plan ahead. That's my suggestion and challenge this week. I don't know. Let me know in the comments how you live too, because I would like to know how you guys go with your lives. And don't forget to tell me your age, because that's kind of important as well on that. And so yeah, I don't know. So this is the result for the character, the draw this in your style. I love draw this in your style challenges. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I think it's so fun. Just to draw other people's OCs. It's super fun. I love it. So yeah, I will have a lot of these videos, art dates, where we just sit together, I talk a bunch of nonsense, and we draw together like a good art date. So anyways, if you like this video, if you like the conversation, just interact with me. Feel free to ask any questions if you want. Feel free to make any suggestions if you want. Don't forget to subscribe. I mean, I'm trying to be consistent. I am not making any promises here because I am starting out and I'm not obsessed over YouTube still. But I will just politely, kindly ask for you to sub so we can keep in contact in the future, and we never know. Either way, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, because that helps with the algorithm and stuff. We can reach to more artists, and that would be nice. So yeah, bye bye guys. See you soon again, because I need to I need to follow my own fictional deadlines for YouTube, make it a little bit more of a priority in my routine. Mwah. Bye bye.